everybody, I'm back. Today we're gonna double toy unboxing. A 2 Shopkins toys. And Shopkins 2000. So let's open this up. Little tree, so let's put that to the side. So this is only bone, I think. This is quality control.
They have a paper, right?
Yeah, party pack.
And you can look at the paper.
Yeah,
They will
Jell-O.
tell what the name is.
Wait.
We have pretzel. We have present. We have jewel. We have freedom. And freedom.
Más familia que somos. Debemos seguir a corriente y oh, ya.
Surprises. We got Shopkins. This is how the box looks. Pink, blue, glittery. If you want to check it out, we bought it at Target. When you check it out at Target, you have to really find it on Amazon. Now, 2 more shoe Shopkins. The shoe bags. They look like this. It comes with 3rd box.
Yeah.
Then look at this is so cool. See, look at me, I'm going. See, you can drop them. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching my new video. And like down below. Bye.
What other product do we have?
What product do we have?
Okay.
Okay.
Sí, mocos.
We have Shopkins Shoe Dazzle. And then come on. We have Shopkins Shoe Dazzle.
That's Shopkins 2000.
Shopkins Shoe Dazzle.
Shopkins 2 Giants.